Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is confiscate. It is pronounced confiscate, and it is spelt C-O-N-F-I-S-C-A-T-E. Think con, then fis, and then kate. Confiscate means to take or seize someone's property with a bit of authority. For example, you could say, Dad confiscated my video games after I was mean to my brother. The word confiscate comes from the Latin confiscat, meaning to put away in a chest or to give it to the public treasury. While this is not its meaning today, the meaning of having something taken away does remain. At the end of the Avengers, after Loki is defeated, his brother Thor takes him back home to Asgard. Thor confiscates the Tesseract from Loki and places it in his father's vault for safekeeping. Can you think of any other examples of something being confiscated? Confiscate is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, the teacher confiscated my phone when she caught me using it in class. Confiscate is defined in the dictionary as to take a possession away from someone when you have the right to do so, usually as a punishment and often for a limited period of time, after which it's then returned to the owner. Confiscate synonyms include impound, seize, commandeer, appropriate, expropriate, sequester, sequestrate. Antonyms include return, give, and offer. See if you can notice anything being confiscated today. It could be as a punishment or in a book or a TV show. Either way, impress your friends and family by using your new word today, confiscate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.